Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Friday, July 3rd, 2026, where we simplify today's market intelligence. U.S. markets told two different stories Thursday. The Dow climbed over 1% as defensive sectors like healthcare and consumer staples surged more than 2%, while the Nasdaq fell 1.6% on tech weakness, particularly in memory chips, which dropped nearly 8%. The weak June jobs report, just 57,000 additions versus 110,000 expected, pushed rate hike expectations from October to December, easing short-term yields. Gold rallied 1.4% to $482 as safe haven demand increased. While markets stumbled, several stocks bucked the trend. Apple surged 5%, offsetting much of the Nasdaq's chip-driven slide. AeroVironment soared 10.7% after securing a $500 million Army contract for drone defense systems. Strategy jumped 7.9% as Bitcoin climbed back above 61,000 dollars, despite the company dropping its never sell pledge. Robinhood gained 3.76% after Mizuho raised its price target to 130 dollars, citing cross-border growth potential. Finally, Palantir rose 2.84% following D.A. Davidson's upgrade to buy, noting its attractive valuation. Our chart of the day reveals a sharp hiring slowdown. June payrolls delivered just 57,000 new jobs, roughly half what economists predicted. Even more telling, the prior 2 months were revised down by a combined 74,000. This marks the first real stall after months comfortably above 100,000. The chart clearly shows we've broken below the 3-month trend line. Markets immediately repriced Fed expectations, pushing the next rate hike from October out to December. For investors, this softer data could signal the pivot many have been waiting for, though 1 month doesn't make a trend. Looking ahead, U.S. markets will be closed Friday, July 3rd for Independence Day, so expect thin global trading volumes. Also on Friday, key central bank speakers include ECB President Lagarde and Bank of England Governor Bailey. Watch for any policy signals that could move currency and bond markets. Further out, the Bank of Korea's rate decision on July 16th will be important for Asian market sentiment. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.